will obey my beloved friend, the Archbishop of Cebu. That's a very good question. In the bigger picture, among the activities and projects that the CBCP, and speaking for the CBCP, we have envisioned for this great year 2021 are like down the line. We plan also to issue or produce a coffee table book. We plan also to organize two-stage symposium, or in fact two symposia, very for academe, things like that. We have theme song, but highlights would be to recall. Now the phrasing is first recorded Easter Mass in the Philippines. That's indeed not first Mass, but first recorded Easter Mass, which would, in 2021, which would be, take note of this, celebrated all over the country. Why? Easter Sunday. So even if we organize something in Manila, nobody would come. I cannot go. It's Easter Sunday. It's difficult. But on the other hand, it is such a wonderful day. You don't have to organize. In fact, it's a beautiful liturgy. In fact, Easter Sunday includes baptism. So, come Easter Sunday of 2021, we expect celebrations all over the country, in cathedrals, in parishes. So there you are. Everybody has, from every corner, small, big Christian community, we have a chance to recall that one of the important facets or events of that year, the first recorded Easter Mass in the Philippines. So that's one. And then second, the CBCP organized a mission congress. That's CBCP generated activity, which will be hosted by Cebu. That is why Father Mar reported about it, Mission Congress. Because you see the theme, gifted by the work of mission. We received the wonderful gift of faith, but also Mission Congress in Cebu, because that would move us also to give. So Mission Congress has that dynamics too. In Cebu, realize how gifted we are, but also the impulse, positive impulse to give. So Mission Congress in Cebu. Now, Easter Mass 2021, Mission Congress in Cebu, but very close to that, another very important event. One of the events in the 2021 celebration is to recall the first baptism. Now, I joked before coming here, I joked that Davao can organize the commemoration of the first baptism, but Cebuano pa, well, like Davao, but Cebu has that primary gift, that this is the locus, this is the place. That's why to commemorate that beautiful item in 2021, Cebu has willingly, graciously said, yes, we will. Again, some people know that I'm like, halos mingon ang Cebu, bisag dili mo motabang na mo, mag-celebrate ni sa Cebu. So that's how wonderful it is. But Archbishop Palma said, we would like to be open. But that is why that event, recalling the first baptisms in the country 500 years ago, will be done rightfully, wonderfully in Cebu, highlighted by Father Mar, April 14, 2021. But so wonderful, because keep that in mind, that's very national, kumbaga, that date. But Cebu already, in this meeting, planted many activities around it to highlight it, including, if like some from Davao would come, I'll come 2 days ahead because I'll go to the wonderful Heritage Walk. So nindot na kayo 2 days before. So, let me end this. 3 big events sa country. Easter Mass, Mission Congress, and remembering the first baptisms. Then, if I may add, in these days approaching that, the image of the Santo Niño will be going around the country also, and the Jubilee Cross. But mga Cebuano, no? What a gift for Cebu. The image of the Santo Niño will be starting from here. The replica of the first cross will be coming from Cebu. So privileged. It's a moment of grace and blessing for you. Let me close by my you asked me to speak, long intervention. Coming here also, I'm from Davao. I'm touched, really touched, very, very inspired, because in this press con, in this remembering the gift, the birth of Christianity, we have the church. In one setting, we have the government, but also representing private sector. And people like you, private sector like Edmond, you and family. That is already a great blessing, because faith, especially lived in Cebu, has brought us together, not for the first time, but continuing to bring us together. And Cebu has that mix of beautiful ingredients. Daghang salamat.
Thank you, Archbishop Valdez. Some more questions, please? Yes, from Rappler.
Hello. Hello.
Okay. May punta Ryan Macero from Rappler.
Hello. Ryan Macasero from Rappler. This question is for Archbishop Palma with the recent appointment to the Vatican Council on Culture, and recently also from Bohol Archbishop Ausa was appointed the Pablo Nuncio to Spain. Does this speak to the recognition of the Catholic Church, of Filipinos to the Catholic Church at large? What is your reaction?
Well, about my appointment as consultor and member of the